Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change email address on Discord. Maybe you want to change your email address to keep your account secure or to update your email address for convenience. So today I'm going to show you how to change email address on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this user settings page, select this account option. Here, under account information, tap on email. In this page, Discord will ask you to verify your email. Tap on the send verification code button. After that, check your email for the verification code. Once you have received the code, type it in this box. After that, tap on Next. Here, you can now change your email address. Type in your new email address in this field. Once you are done, tap on this Change Email button. Here, type in your Discord password. After that, tap on Done. Here, Discord will ask you to verify your email again. Check your email, and here, tap on this Verify Email button. After you have verified your email, go back to Discord. And as you can see, I now have successfully changed my email address on Discord. You can now use it to log in and receive important updates from Discord. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change email address on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change email address on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.